Guys, my name is Will. This is a quick video of the Bryant air conditioner at a lake house that we rent almost every year on the North Lake. And here it is. Bryant. Beautiful installation. Let me just get around here. Sorry about the shade. Here's the full pipes for the furnace. Just nicely caulked around there. And there's the gas meter. And there's the water heater. There it is. There's the data sheet. If you haven't read that yet, pause it now. There's the valves. Great install. The filter dryer is inside. It's nice caulked around there. And there's a disconnect box. This has a Bristol compressor and a GE fan motor. So yeah. It is matched up with a Carrier Weathermaker 9200 91% efficient gas furnace. That's what those fuel pipes are for right there. Yeah. It's one of my favorite air conditioners in the world. It's so cool. It sounds awesome. Those are just Bristol compressor. Hear that? So I have the exact same unit at my house, except it's a 2-ton from 2002. This one, I believe, is a 3-ton from 2000. I think this is a 3.5-ton from 2003. I'm not very good at reading those labels, so if I'm wrong, leave me a comment and tell me what it really is. Yeah. I will make a video of it later tonight when it is not running, so that you can get a feel of all the stuff inside of it. Let's step back a little. There it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Out.